cultural celebrations like this contribute to strengthening ties between India and New Zealand?
Good question, because I understand that New Zealand is a very, very diverse country. In Auckland city itself, people tell me more than 160 countries have people here who have adopted the Kiwi citizenship and the Kiwi way of life actually. And it is very, very important that India being a diverse country, that we have to show our culture and show our arts and culture to different people in outside India, that is mostly New Zealand. And in this particular year, when my office is into second year, and the free trade agreement has been signed is going to be signed between India and New Zealand very soon. And it's the right time how we can, through culture, we can bring our Kiwi friends and other friends to understand India in much better. And Odisha is one part of that component. We'll be doing many more events like this actually on different states of India to connect to our Kiwi friends, Maori friends, and to other friends also. Thank you.